I just edited this viral short in 3 minutes. Let me show you exactly how I did it using Submagic. I used to spend 3 hours editing one video. Now I create 10 videos in 30 minutes. The tool that made this possible is Submagic, and I'm going to walk you through my exact workflow. Go to appsubmagic.co and click Open a new account. You can also use the link below. It takes you straight to the free sign-up page. Enter your email address and password, then click Create Account. Next, check your inbox for a message from Submagic. Open it and click Verify your email address. Once verified, your Submagic dashboard will open automatically. Once you've signed into Submagic and confirmed your email address, you'll land on the main dashboard. There's a short onboarding process asking if you're a content creator, along with a few other small questions. They're not important, so just move through those quickly. You'll then see a box labeled Generate Captions with AI. That's what we want. You should already have a video ready to upload into the system. Drag your prepared video into the upload box or click Browse to select it from your files. The system begins uploading your video and you'll see it appear on screen. You'll notice there's a choice of about 50 different languages, more than enough for most creators. If your video has 2 people speaking, you can assign different colored captions to each speaker. That makes it easy to see who's talking. If you are on a paid plan, you can also translate your video into other languages. The small lightning bolt icon shows features not available on your current subscription level. I don't need to translate anything, so that's fine. Once your video finishes uploading, click Generate Captions. The system starts processing. It adds emojis, highlights keywords, and creates captions automatically. It usually says it'll take 30 to 40 seconds, but it's often done in about 15 to 20. Now you'll see the main editing screen. There are 2 important things to note. First, image quality. You might see low resolution written on the preview. Don't worry if it's harm, the final video will be much sharper. This view is only for editing. Second, the safe zone. Those grey boxes mark where platforms like YouTube display titles and buttons. If you don't have this visible, your captions might overlap YouTube's own text. When I first started using Submagic, I didn't realise that, and my captions clashed with YouTube's labels. So make sure the safe zone is visible and your captions sit above it. Next, look at the 2 tools on the left. One moves the position of your captions, the other changes the font size. You can also adjust colours if you wish. Now let's look at caption styles. Submagic offers many. Some include icons or emojis automatically, which can be a problem later when adding B-roll. They might overlap or look cluttered. I prefer styles without icons, it keeps things clean. Let's click Cormozy and play the video. You'll see captions and emojis appear. You may or may not like that. I usually avoid these styles. They're adding new ones all the time, but I like Iman. It's clean and easy to read. We want viewers to have a good experience. The best process I've found is this. Start with your captions, make sure they're right, then move on to B-roll. Finally, finish with audio. So let's select Iman as our style. In your free subscription, you can make and download up to 3 videos. If you don't download them, they don't count toward your limit. With the free plan, available through the link below, you can practice for a few hours, move through each section, and quickly learn how it all works. You can even run this tutorial side by side with your own Submagic account and follow along step by step. Now that we've chosen Iman, let's customize it to create your own brand style. You can change fonts, weights and case, uppercase or lowercase. You can also change size, color, stroke weight, and add a shadow. You can decide how many words appear per line. Watch that because long lines might wrap and overlap. You can position your captions, toggle punctuation, enable animation, choose whether to include emojis and change colors. Once you've customized your captions, save your setup as a theme, your personal brand style. Let's preview Iman. You can see how clean and clear it looks and our placement is perfect. Nothing overlaps. Now that we've covered caption styling, let's look at editing. Each caption is broken into scenes. The AI highlights anything it's uncertain about. For example, it sometimes flags the word base. Just click it, mark as corrected, and it reverts to normal. You can also remove a line break, split text into a new line, or add sound effects like whoosh or deep whoosh. These advanced tools are fun once you've got the basics. You can add or delete words too. If your caption style includes emojis, you'll see a small emoji box beside each scene. You can delete or edit those right in the caption editor. That completes captions. Let's move to B-roll. If you're new to the term, B-roll is background footage that makes your video more engaging and helps hold the viewer's attention. Click Magic B-roll. It's set to 50% by default, meaning roughly half your video will include background clips. The AI reviews your script and chooses visuals that match each scene. It's not perfect, but it's usually close. Sometimes you tweak a few clips and it's spot on. Other times you might need to adjust more. Let's generate B-roll at 50%. You'll see new clips added to several scenes. Grey scenes show your talking head. The others now have background video. Let's play a short section to preview. Not bad. Some clips fit well, others need improvement. To edit a B-roll clip, hover over it and click. That opens the B-roll editor. You'll see the media the AI selected. Let's replace it. Search for Add Video Effects in the library and pick a clip. There are free and premium libraries depending on your plan. You can also upload your own videos or images. After you select a clip, adjust its position if needed so the subject is centered. Return to the timeline and check your update. Once you're familiar with this process, you'll be surprised how quickly you can get through edits. You can also add zoom effects. For example, select a scene, choose crash zoom out and play it back. It's smooth, not really a crash, but it works well. The video at the end of this tutorial is one where I spent a few extra minutes refining B-roll placement. Personally, I like setting B-roll to about 75%. That reduces the talking head time and keeps visuals more dynamic. Whether you prefer 50% or 75% is up to you. Experiment and see what fits. Now we've covered captions and B-roll, let's move to audio, the third key step. Click audio. You can clean the original audio if you're on a paid plan, but for now, let's just add background music. You'll see lots of options organized by category: classic, hype, inspiring, and more. To add a track, click Add. Important, check your music volume. Your background track should enhance your voice, not overpower it. You can fade music in, set where it starts, replace it, or delete it. And that's it, you're done. Click Export Video, which really means generate video. You'll see quality settings. If available on your plan, set quality to 2K, that's plenty. Use 30 frames per second and keep captions enabled. Click Generate. Submagic will process your video. It's exporting from the AI engine to the system, where you can download it. This usually takes a couple of minutes. After about 2 minutes, you'll see the download option. If you're on a higher plan, you can also export in 4K. Click Download and your video will save to your desktop. And that's it, you're done. Congratulations, you've just made your first captioned video in Submagic. Here's the before and after. This took me 3 minutes in Submagic versus 45 minutes doing it manually in CapCut.
Hi there, in this video, I'm creating the base recording that will later import into Submagic. The goal is to show you how Submagic adds captions, highlights keywords, and enhances engagement automatically. Right now, this clip has no captions or effects. We'll use it as the starting point for a full Submagic tutorial where I'll walk you through each step of the editing process. Once this recording is uploaded into Submagic, you'll see how easy it is to transform a plain video like this into something polished and ready to share.
If you want to try Submagic yourself, I have a link in the description. Full transparency. I earn a commission if you subscribe, but I genuinely use this tool every day. It saved me hundreds of hours. Subscribe if you want more AI shortcuts like this.